Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we discuss question number 8. So let's go to that question. Let me share my screen. So the question is there a risk of being confined to a specific role in ServiceNow? Yes, very valid question. People are thinking that once they enter into ServiceNow and they get stuck. Okay. So this is not the case with ServiceNow. You will get enough opportunity to switch, to change. Okay. How? Let me show you. These are the few points which I have made for you. ServiceNow is a platform, not a job title. Yes. It is a platform. It means it has n number of jobs available. From the basic, you can see here, you can move from admin to developer to architect, or you can be a consultant, analyst, or a product owner. So these are the very basic which I'm explaining. But within these, there are n number of opportunities. Let's say, for example, for architect, okay, in ServiceNow, there are n number of modules, n number of applications are there. For example, GRC, ITSM, ITOM, okay, security operations, SecOps, financial related thing, legal related thing, legal service delivery, HR service delivery. Okay, you have all these options available. Based on your interest, you can choose any one of it. Okay, once you start in ServiceNow. Along with this, there are various processes in ServiceNow. For example, CMDB, incident, problem change. You can be a, analyst. You can be a consultant for any of these process. So n number of opportunities are there. There is no way you can stuck anywhere. Okay. So let me move to next question. Internal role switches are common. I told you, once you are into ServiceNow domain, you can switch to your choice. You can switch into the interested part which you want to learn, which you want to move. Every path is there. Based on your interest, you can do so. Number 3, cross-skilled is encouraged. Yes, because when a company get enrolled with ServiceNow, it starts with mostly ITSM, then it switch to ITOM, then it switch to GRC. Means it will automate, it will convert each of their legacy processes into ServiceNow. Okay, so then based on your interest, based on your choice, based on your past experience, you can switch into that particular domain. So you can do all these things and everything will be encouraged here because you are already there in that company. Now you want to support something which is new. So there is no way you can stuck. Okay, let's move to the next point. You can change the domain to various processes. I told you already, all these processes are there based on your choice, based on the training, based on your interest, based on the availability of job. You can do so. You can go freelance or client side. Yes, there are opportunities that you can do freelancing work. A lot of freelancing work is also there because ServiceNow is expanding to in every domain, banking, okay, HR, every related domain. Most of the companies are using ServiceNow, so you have the option to go freelance as well, or you can go to the client side. It means on-site opportunities are also there. So interesting point is only those who stop learning are get stuck. Yes, learning is continuous. If you stop learning, then obviously you will be at the same place all the time. Okay, you will not get yourself promoted to anywhere. So keep learning. Once you keep learning, you have enough opportunities to go outside to change. Okay, so do not have this fear that you will get stuck. There are a number of opportunities. You never get stuck in ServiceNow. You are just only one module away from your next opportunity. I told you. Okay,